Hello, in this video we will learn about fixed quantity and price. To create a product with fixed quantity and price, you have to follow these steps. First, go to Products. Click on Add New button. Put the necessary details including title. Select product type as Standard. Select product category. And select price defining method as fixed quantity and price. Set status button to on. Select action button type. Then you have to click on Save and Continue button. Here you have to enter product size, title and bleed size. Also, you can add multiple sizes by clicking on Add button. You can manage sorting orders from here. Put the safe and cut margin and number of printing sides like front and back for a business card. Click on Save and Continue. There you have to put the quantity and price. You can enter bulk quantity and price from the bulk upload button. When we check on the front, you will see a quantity drop down to select a specific quantity, and accordingly, the price will appear. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to connect with us in case of any concern.